Hello children, today we are going to see the solution of the sixth question from the NCERT numericals of chapter 1. So the question goes this way: 4 point charges QA, QB, QC and QD are located at the corners of a square ABCD of side 10 centimeter. What is the force on a charge 1 microcoulomb that is placed at the center of the square? So this diagram, question you have to draw the diagram. Okay. So now as you can see in the diagram, there are 4 charges that are placed. One is plus 2 microcoulomb QA. So it is at point is taken as A. QB is minus 5 and QC will be again plus 2. QD will be minus 5. Okay. So now in the center of this, there is a charge 1 microcoulomb at this point. Okay. So first, so you have to calculate the force on this charge due to all these charges. Okay. The force will be on this charge will be the sum of forces due to all the 4 charges. So first, what you should know, Coulomb's law is F is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. So the first step is to calculate the distance between this and this charge. Also similarly, this distance, this distance, this distance. But we know that the given figure in the square. So for a square, this distance OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD will be equal. So first what you should do is you should calculate the length of the diagonal. So the square length of the diagonal will be equal to A root 2. Okay. So in the side. So that is 10 root 2. 10 root 2 centimeter. But now this OA or OB or OC or OD, the half of diagonal. So OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD is equal to 10 root 2 by 2. That is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. So that is 5 root 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So now you know the value of R. If Q1, Q2, R, you can calculate FA, FB, FC, FD and FA, FB, FC, FD na another. They are the forces. Okay. We'll solve one by one. Finally, we'll find out the net charge. So now what we are going to do is the first step will be to calculate the force due to this charge at point A on this charge at point O, which we will take as FA. Okay. So before doing the calculation, you should understand that this is a positive charge plus 1 microcoulomb is also a positive charge. You will experience repulsion. Okay. So on the repulsion in the direction, this charge 1 microcoulomb will be pushed in this direction. Yes. Similarly, when charge at C is exerting a force on this charge at O, that will also be repelled in this direction. Okay, first we will do A and C, then we will do B and D. So now write FA. FA means nothing, force due to the charge at A on charge at O. So as K, Q1, Q2, this is a formula, F is equal to K, Q1, Q2 upon R square. So your Q1 will be 2 into 10 power minus 6, 2 microcoulomb. So it is 2 into 10 power minus 6. Center la 1 microcoulomb. So it is 1 into 10 power minus 6. K will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. That is equal to 9 into 10 power 9. Substitute it. So now you can write 9 into 10 power 9 into 2 microcoulomb, 2 into 10 power minus 6 into 1 microcoulomb, 1 into 10 power minus 6 divided by R square. R square we found out R already, 5 root 2 into 10 power minus 2. So write that here. 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 the whole square. Okay, so this equation will reduce to 9 into 2 into 10 to the power 9 minus 6 minus 6. Now power எல்லாம் தனியா எடுத்திருக்கேன். Okay. And next what you will do is 5 square is 25. 25 root 2 square is 2. So 25 into 2, that is 50. 50 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square is 10 power minus 4. Okay. So 5 root 2 the whole square will be 25 into 2. That is how it becomes 50. Okay. So now when you are solving this here, you will get 18 into 9 minus 12 is minus 3. And again this minus 4, when it goes up, it becomes plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4. Correct? Divided by 50. So now it is 18 into 10 divided by 50. So cancel the zeros. You will get 18 by 5 is 3.6 Newton. What is the direction? As I showed you already, it is repulsion. So that the direction will be along OC. Okay. Now FB. So I told you we will calculate FC. Yeah. So FC is equal to, again, this is plus 2 microcoulomb and this is 1 microcoulomb. So the calculation will be the same and you will get the same answer. So here also 9 into 10 power 9 into 2 into 10 power minus 6 into 1 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 5 root 2 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square. Correct? So the same calculation. So this will also be 3.6 Newton. Direction in the direction. This charge 2 is greater than 1. This will repel this in this direction. So it is along OA. Along OA. Okay. Now you have to calculate FB and FD. So force at B. Now we'll see the diagram. If you can see this is a negative charge which is at B. Okay, negative charge. This is a positive charge. That means what will happen? This positive charge will be attracted towards the negative charge of greater magnitude. So the direction will be along OB. Similarly, here what will happen? This charge will be attracted in this direction along the towards the negative charge. So this will also be along OD. So FB and FD will be like attractive, whereas FA and FC are repulsive. So okay. Now do the calculation. Here minus 5 plus 1 charges. 9 into 10 power 9 into minus 5 microcoulomb. So it is necessary enough to take only the magnitude because we are calculating only the force. So write 5 into 10 power minus 6 into 1 into 10 power minus 6. This is 5, okay. And again we are writing the direction. So only no need to take the sign. Distance will be the same because it is a square. 5 root 2 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square. So you will get 9 into 5 into 10 power 9 minus 6 divided by 5 root 2. I already told you 50. 50 into 10 power minus 4. So what will happen here? 45 by 50 into 10 power 9 minus 12 is minus 3. Minus 4 mala pomba plus 4. So you get what 9 by 10 into 10. 9 by 10 into 10. So 10 cancel equal to 9 Newton. Idhe madri, but direction enga? Direction will be along. Check the diagram. We are calculating for B, right? So it is along OB in the direction attraction. Okay, well? So it will be along OB. Write that. FD. FD என்ன இருக்கும்? Same. Charges are same, direction alone will be different. 5 into 10 power minus 6 into 1 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 5 root 2 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square. So now after calculation, you will get 9 Newton. What is the direction? FDK, FT in the pakam. So along OD, attraction. Okay. So now, what is the next step? You have to calculate the net force on, net force on charge 1 microcoulomb, which is present in the center. Before that, you can see here, FA and FC are equal in magnitude, but the direction is opposite. One is along OC, one is along OC, other one is along OA, right? So they are equal and opposite. That means FA is equal to, right here, FA is equal to minus FC. Okay, similarly, here also they are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So FB will be equal to minus FD. Okay. So now you have to calculate the net force. Net force will be F vector on 1 microcoulomb. Okay, F on 1 microcoulomb is equal to FA plus FB plus FC plus FT. So FA, FA plus FB and FC is equal to minus FA, right? FA is equal to minus FC. So FC will be equal to minus FA. So you can write it like that. Minus FA. Similarly, FD will be equal to minus FB. They are equal and opposite. So they will get cancelled. So the net force is equal to 0. So there is no force on the charge 1 microcoulomb because the forces are equal and opposite. They get cancelled each other. So this is now this is explained in elaborate, right? Or a detailed explanation inge paathirukeenga, but if it is a 1 mark question, as soon as you see the figure, you should understand that when there are two equal and two charges which are equal and placed in the opposite directions from the center, at equal distance from the center, the net force should be equal to 0 because the two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay. This is the proof of that. Please go through. Any doubts you have, you can let know in the comment section so that we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.